Hello friends! Do you know what day it is today? Let's figure it out together. Can you remember what it was yesterday? Sometimes that's helpful in helping us to remember what day it would be today, but sometimes we can't remember what it was yesterday. So we've been writing or drawing shapes on the board to let us know when today is. Can you find the last shape that we drew on the board? Can you tell me what it is? Purple triangle, that's a great guess. Purple triangle, that was the last shape that we did on the board. So this purple triangle was for yesterday, and this is today. What should we put here? We want to continue the pattern. We've got an AB pattern going on. Let's go up to the top and see if we can figure out what is going to be on today. Yesterday was purple triangle, so what do you think? Make a guess. What do you think will be here? Now let's go see if we're correct. Orange circle, purple triangle, 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 orange circle. We've got an orange circle today. So let's draw an orange circle here. Ooh, that was a wobbly circle. That's okay. What else do we need to put in our square today besides an orange circle? Can you see in the other squares to see what we need to put in there? Let's look back to yesterday. There's a number there. So yesterday was 14. What do you think comes after 14 for today? What do you think? 14. What do you think should go today? Do you have a guess? Let's go back to the beginning and count and see if we're correct. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Did you guess 15? You would be correct if you guessed 15. So a 15 has a 1 and a 5. 15. So today is number 15 and it's on the calendar. So we say 15th, 15th. Now we need to figure out what day it is, what the name of the day is. Do you remember? How many days of the week do we have? You want to count with me? Let's see if our guess is correct. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did you guess 7? There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good guess, guys. So today, if we go up the calendar column, it says Friday. Our day today is Friday. And that day is exciting for a lot of people. A lot of people like Fridays because usually for a lot of people, Friday is the last day of school or the last day of work, and then that means no more work or school for 2 days. So sometimes that makes people really happy. Some people, it's the last day of not working, and then tomorrow they go to work on Saturday and Sunday. So everybody's different, but it seems pretty popular that Friday is a good day. So let's practice Friday together. We start with a capital F, Friday, and we use a capital F or an uppercase F because it's the name of a day. So Friday, Friday, Friday. Today is Friday the 15th. And then we need to know what month it is. Do you remember what we've been saying for the last few days? What month could we have been saying? Do you remember? There's a few of them. Here's our month here, and it's January. It starts with a capital J because it's the name of the month. January. January. Do you remember how many months in the year there are? Let's see if your guess is correct. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 months in the year. And let's see if we can remember what the names of those months are. Try them with me. Even if you don't know, we can practice together. The more we practice, the better we'll get. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good trying. So today is Friday, January 15th. And do you remember what the year is? We keep it all year long until next year. 2021, 2020. So when we say today, we say Friday, January 15th, 2020 or 2021, whichever you like. Now we're going to put it on into our sentence. So our sentence begins with the word today, followed by the word is. And today has a capital letter because it's the first word in our sentence. So today is Friday. So I'm going to start with a capital F because it's the name of our day. F, R, I, D, A, Y, and then a comma. January, and it has a capital J because it's the name of our month. J, A, N, U, A, R, Y. And it's the 15th. A 1, woo, and a 5. That's a funny looking 5, but that's what happens when we're practicing. It's okay. And then a comma, and then our year, 2021. 2, 0, 2, 1, and then a period. And that tells us to stop. And these commas tell us to pause in between words. So let's say the whole sentence together. Today is Friday, January 15th, 2021. Good try. Thank you so much for trying with me. Have you looked outside to see what the weather is like today? Is the sun shining where you are? Do you have lots of sun? Sunny days are kind of my favorite. What about snow? Is it snowing where you are? It's not snowing where I am. Partly cloudy. Maybe your sun is out, but there's a little bit of clouds in the sky. I'm going to hang on to this one here because our sun is out, but it's not quite fully sunny. Rainy? Is there rain falling from any clouds in your sky? Not where I live. Windy? Nope, not windy here. What about cloudy? Is it cloudy where you live? We don't have any clouds here today. We've just got partly sunny. Sorry, we have some clouds here today. Partly sunny and partly cloudy. So I'm going to put that on our weather board. And then we are going to put it onto our chart. Will you help me put it onto the chart? See if we can find partly cloudy, partly sunny. The first one is a sun. So that's fully sunny. So that's not what we have today. And then the next one is cloudy. But there is some sun today, so we don't want to do that one. Raining? A cloud with some raindrops? Not raining here. What about snowy? Nope, not snowing. Partly cloudy and partly sunny. That's what we said, right? Partly cloudy, partly sunny. We have the sun shining, but sometimes it hides behind the clouds. So we've got 4 tally marks already. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 tally marks. I'm going to take my marker and I'm going to do one more tally mark, but because we're at 4, we have to do something special. Do you remember what we did the other day? That means 5, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I take my pen and I go across all 4 of them like that. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means we've got 5 partly sunny, partly cloudy days in the month of January. So now we're going to do our agenda, and it's my agenda, so I put my name on it. Capital C, E-L-Y-N-N-E, and an apostrophe S, because that apostrophe S tells everybody this is my book. So when they see anybody's name and apostrophe S, that's how they know somebody owns something. And then it's an agenda, A-G-E-N-D-A, agenda. So we're just going to open it up and let's go to Thursday. Yesterday was Thursday, but I didn't get some things done. Do you remember? On Wednesday, I didn't finish doing the picture of my cat. So I did it yesterday. So I can check this off now because I colored my picture of my cat. Then yesterday, I wanted to make cupcakes because it was my friend's birthday and her favorite color is pink. So I did that. So I can check that off. So today, I'm going to put today's date, start with Friday, capital Friday, capital January. So we have Friday, January 15th. I ran out of room, so I'm going to go down here and continue my date. 2021. And we have 15 days, so I'm going to practice my numbers all the way up to the number 15. I want to practice every day so that I get good at it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I ran out of room here, so I'm going to go down here. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And it's partly cloudy, so I'm going to draw a cloud, and then I'm going to color in a sun, because partly cloudy, partly sunny means that the sun is peeking out every once in a while. And today, what should I do today? Yesterday I made cupcakes. The day before that I drew a picture. I think today I am going to do the dishes. Do you ever do the dishes? Do you help your grown-up do the dishes? Maybe you have a dishwasher. Do you put all your dishes into a machine in your kitchen and you close it up and it washes the dishes for you? There's a couple ways that you can do the dishes. It's good to help your grown-up do the dishes. Help them maybe dry, or you can rinse your dishes off before you put them in the sink or the dishwasher, or you can help them unload the dishwasher and put them away into the cupboard. There's a couple ways that you can help your grown-up with the dishes. Maybe ask them how you can help them. So I'm just going to draw a plate and a cup, because these are my things. I didn't do the dishes yesterday. That's why I have to do it today. And maybe a fork. And maybe a butter knife. So I'm going to do the dishes this afternoon. We have more today than usual because I didn't do them yesterday. So I'm going to print my name, capital C-E-L-Y-N-N-E. Selin. So I'm going to practice printing my name and doing my letters every day so that I get really good at it. That's how we get good at things. And if you don't know how to print all your letters yet to make words, you can start by just doing one letter at a time to practice and get good at that letter, and then eventually you can put them together to make words. So do you remember what letter this is? What can you guess? A U? Let's practice. The U starts up top here, comes down and around like a scoop, and then goes up. Can you do that with your hand? Put your hand up here. Come down and up. Let's do it one more time. Down and up. Good job. So we'll start at the top here and come down, and then we'll go up. And that is an uppercase U or a big U. And this is a lowercase u or a small u. So we start about half the size of the big one, and we're going to come down again like a scoop, come all the way up, then come down and make a little tail back out. That's how you make a U, uppercase U and lowercase u. So you can practice making your letters, and when you learn a whole bunch of them, then you can put them together to make words. So let's do our feeling faces today. Yesterday I was feeling kind of nervous because I had a lot of things to do. I didn't know if I would get the cupcakes done or if I'd get my picture done, but I got them all done. So now, how do you think I feel now? Do you think I'm feeling sad? What do you think? Sad? No, I'm pretty happy. I got all my stuff done, so I don't really have anything to be sad about. What about this one? Happy? What do you think? Pretty happy that I got my things done. That could be one. I'm just going to hang on to it right there. What about mad? Do you think I'm mad today? I don't think so. I got all my things down, so I don't really need to be mad. What about content, just easygoing, satisfied that I got all my stuff done. I think that sounds like me today. So let's put that in here. How are you feeling today? Interesting. What else can we do today to help us put us in a good mood? Can we do something kind for somebody else? What could you do that's kind that would help somebody else today? Can you think of anything on your own? Sometimes it's tough to think of what we can do that's kind for people, but it can be the simplest things. Are you going outside today? Maybe going for a walk or going to the park? How about if you just wave? I know we've done this before together, but this is one of the simplest things to show people that you're being kind to them. It's like saying, hi, I see you. Nice to see you today. I'm happy to see you. So today when you go out, or maybe even from your window if you see somebody walking by your home, you can just wave. And I bet you they'll wave back. If they don't, that's okay too. Sometimes people don't know how to reply. But if somebody waves at you, you can wave back too. It's just a nice little way to greet somebody when you're not close enough to say hello. So I hope you have a great day. I hope you find something wonderful to do that's kind and make somebody else really happy today. I hope you have a great day, and I hope to see you again tomorrow. Have a good day, friends. Bye-bye. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.